I want to be a DJ.
I want to be a DJ.com.
I want to be a DJ.com. Yeah.
I want to be a DJ.com. I want to be a DJ.com.
I want to be a DJ.com. It's going down. Istanbul stand up. I want to be a DJ.com. Let's go.
I want to be a DJ.
I want to be a DJ.com, you know what I mean?
I want to be a DJ.com.
I want to be a DJ.com.
Go to I want to be a DJ.com, man.
Oh, I can feel the skin beneath the dirt and these 6-inch heels. The edge of the earth wants to make a deal. Gravity is pulling me down the hills, and I fight it, oh, fight it. I'm lightning, oh, I'm lightning. Oh, I fight it, oh, fight it.
Hi, it's your girl Alicia G. How's it going? Superstar. I wish you a wonderful music career. And congratulations, your team. I want to be a DJ. You can do it, girl. Keep striving for the best. Push out that negativity. Push in that positivity. The best is yet to come. And never, ever give up your dream, because dreams do come true. Much love. I'm your girl, Alicia G.
Yo, it's Ayo.
It's Teo.
And we just want to thank I want to be a DJ.com for our singles, you feel me? Man, go to I want to be a DJ.com to check our new singles on, so like that, you already know what's going on.
Yeah, the road.
What's up, y'all? DJ Motivate from the Black Eyed Peas. And I want to say what's up to I want to be a DJ.com. Yeah.
I want to be a DJ.com. Tap the net. I want to be a fucking DJ.com.
Yo, what's up, y'all? This is Fatman Scoop. I want to be a DJ.com. I want to be a DJ.com. If you're a DJ, if you're an up-and-coming DJ, you need to check it out. I want to be a DJ.com.
What's up, you guys? It's Jeremy.
I'm 49.
Yo, Brooklyn, New York City, Jesse Malik. I've been a DJ, I've been an MC, I've been a graffiti artist, I've been a b-boy, and for those that want to be a DJ, go to I want to be a DJ.com. It's going down. Istanbul stand up. I want to be a DJ.com. Let's go.
What's up? Michelle McMahon here. I just had a chance to check out your new album and song. I wish you the best of career success. I know you are highly talented and already well on your way. And I also congratulate your team. I want to be a DJ, and all the best success to you the rest of the way.
Boom! Yeah, this is Nanian Stars speaking. Say bless, love, and greetings. Right now I'm saying big up, I want to be a DJ.com. So if you're in Europe, right, and you want to become a DJ and a wicked good DJ, see what I'm saying? You need to check out I want to be a DJ.com, you know what I mean? See what I'm saying? So if you want to learn DJ school, yeah, get that. You know what I mean? I want to be a DJ. So if you want to be a DJ selector, check the thing. Big up yourself. Millions have said that. Enough love and respect. Boom!
Yo, what up, all my people? This is Mohombi. If you want to be a DJ, like the best DJ ever, you go to www.iwannabedj.com.
King of House Music with Nicola Fassano.
This is the last day, but the first day, as always, in the life.
Yeah.
We are ready to go. Journey is on the way.
Yeah. And please advertise. What do you think? What do you think about I wanna be a DJ.com?
Yeah, you supported me, and I'm honored to teach you all I know in my life, everything I learned in my life.
Yeah.
And I love you guys.
Yeah,
this
thank
is family, you know. Carreta Record family.
Yeah, thank you very much.
It's your boy Brandon Beal, and all the DJs out there. There's a lot of you guys, all the DJs out there. Anybody inspired to be a DJ, if you want to learn all the tricks, all the techniques, make sure you go to iwannabeadj.com. Go check it out.
It's Shane Nichols here. Kind of wish you a very good music career. I hope you do good. I hope everything works out for you guys, you and your team. You make me want to be a DJ, for real. So keep it up, keep doing your thing, and don't stop. We'll see ya.
Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Young at the Cali Swag District. And all the boys and girls out there that want to be a DJ, go to iwannabeadj.com, man. Turn up. This is where you find everything. This is going to show you everything you need to know. iwannabeadj.com. Swag.